ROM, or read-only memory, is a type of non-volatile storage essential in electronics, as it retains data even when power is off. This characteristic makes it ideal for storing firmware and system software. ROM is commonly found in devices like computers, game consoles, and embedded systems. Unlike RAM, which allows both reading and writing, ROM is primarily designed for reading data. The information is written during manufacturing and is typically immutable, although some variants allow for limited modifications. There are several types of ROM, including Mask ROM, which is fixed at the manufacturing stage and used where updates are unnecessary. PROM, Programmable ROM, which can be programmed once post-manufacturing, and EPROM, Erasable Programmable ROM, which can be erased and reprogrammed under specific conditions. Each type serves different applications based on its characteristics. Understanding ROM is crucial for grasping how electronic devices function and manage data storage.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.